Good morning, students. Myself Madhukumar, physics lecturer. Now I will start the demo of the first experiment, that is magnetic field along the axis of the circular coil. In this experiment, our aim is to determine the magnetic field along the axis of the circular coil where current is flow through the circular coil. Now I will explain the circuit diagram. So this one is a circular coil and this is a compass and scale is attached to this circular coil, and circular coil has a 2 turns, 50 turns and 500 turns, and another one is a common end, and this one is a commutator, and this one is a battery, and this is a milliammeter, and this one is rheostat. So now I will explain the circuit diagram. Please keep the record with you. First, I will start from the commutator. So commutator have 4 knobs. So each knob is, the 2 knobs are parallel to one another. So here I will keep it in the vertical and horizontal axis, the knobs. From the horizontal knob, the horizontal one end of the horizontal knob is connected to the common end, and another end of the horizontal knob is connected to the 2 turns or 50 turns. Now I connected here for 2 turns, this one, okay, and this one is common end. Next, upper end of the commutator knob is connected to this C1, this one, so that is connected to the upper end of the rheostat, this one, and lower end of the vertical knob is connected to positive of the battery, so this one connected here, and negative of the battery is taken and it is connected to the negative of the milliammeter, and positive of the milliammeter is connected to the lower end of the rheostat, okay, and circuit is complete. So now we have to set up this experiment for the magnetic field of the earth. This operator is parallel to the earth's magnetic field, hence we have to set initially by using the compass. The 90-degree of the compass, see here, are you observing? So 90-degree, that is this one. The 90-degree should be parallel to our eye, or which is parallel to the circular coil, and needle should be coincide to the 0. For that one we have to rotate whole the circular coil apparatus, so till it is coincide to 0 0. See, this one is connected to 0 0, the needle is coincide 0 0, okay, hence it is adjusted for the earth's magnetic field, okay. Then we have to set for the current by using the rheostat. So from the rheostat we have to set the current that will flow through the circular coil, so that is 0.2, that is adjustable by this rheostat, okay. So then we have to unplug the parallel keys of the commutator, then there is a deflection in the commutator, okay. So this is at the 0 distance from the center of the coil. Then there is a deflection in the galvanometer, that deflection is taken, that is theta 1, theta 2. Then we have to change, now these plug keys are removed, now we have to unplug the another 2 keys which are parallel to one another like this. Then there is a change in the direction of the current, that is recorded, that is theta 3, theta 4. Then we have to we have to taken the reading for both this one, right side also you have a scale, like that you have a scale on left side also. So we have to drawn to the right side, so 2 centimeter, here there is a marker is there, needle, so that is taken here, taken for the, that is 15th centimeter is there. So now we have to drawn in the right side. So we have to, so like this we have to drawn. 1 minute I will draw. So now I keep it for the last time it is in a what distance, that is in a 15 centimeter. So now I will draw to the 17th. 15 means we have to move the 2 centimeter away. So now I am doing for the left side. Okay, this compass is go away from the center of the circular coil towards left side. Therefore we have to draw. Now we have to taken for the 17 centimeter. It is initially, that is in 15 centimeter, that is 0. That is the what the it is in the marker is in 15 centimeter, it is taken as a 0, or you can directly written as 15. Now it is in the 17 centimeter. See this one. So then there is a deflection in the needle, so you have to note down the reading theta 1 theta 2. Again you have to change the plugs of the commutator, that changes the direction of the current, and again there is a change in the deflection, that is the theta 3 theta 4 is recorded. Then again you have to move this needle to the 19 centimeter. See here, so 19 centimeter you are drawn, that is 2 centimeter. You have to draw on left side 2 centimeter. That means the compass is go away from the 2 centimeter from the center of the circular coil in left side. Okay, again there is a deflection in the needle, you note down, and you have to change the direction of current using this changing this knob keys like this. For each trial, for each 2 centimeter, you have to change the direction of this current and note down the deflection theta 3 theta 4. That theta 3 theta 4 is recorded only by changing the direction of the current by the commutator and note down what is the deflection. So you have to do up to the 6 trials or 8 trials, up to the 8 trials. That means 2 centimeter you have to increase. That means the commutator is go away from the center of the circular coil. Hence, the deflection in the compass needle get decreases because the magnetic field is set up around the circular coil. It is the compass is go away from the needle, go away from the circular coil. Hence, the needle decreases. The same we have to draw on this. Now we have to keep the compass center. Again you have to draw on. Now we have to do for the right side also. So now you have to take on the marker here. So here there is a, see this one is at the center, means see, so this is a center is means 15 centimeter is there. So you have to note down the theta 1 theta 2, and again you have to change the direction in the commutator, that theta 3 theta 4 is recorded. Now draw on this towards the right side. So here 2 centimeter. So from this one you can mark here also, maybe 2 centimeter you have to draw on. So initially it is, if you taken in the right side, so you may observe the right scale here, the distance get here decrease when you drawn, but you have to taken from here. Therefore 17 centimeter you have to taken up to the 17 centimeter for first trial. Say for 17, and note down what is the deflection in theta 1 theta 2 and change the direction of the current, and theta 3 theta 4 is recorded. Again you do the same experiment by drawing this scale. For each trial you have to draw on the 2 centimeters and note down what is theta 1 theta 2 and change the direction of the current using the commutator, and theta 3 theta 4 is recorded. So do up to the 8 trials. Then after you have a calculation. So before starting that one, we have to take on the circumference by using this thread. So like this we have to take on the circumference of this circular coil, so by the thread, and it is kept in the scale, so that the length is taken divided by 2 pi, that gives the radius of this circular coil. and number of turns is taken. What number is connected? That is a number of turns connected, that is 2 turns here. So then we have a calculation. So using the formula, so the magnetic field set up at the center of the circular coil, so using the formula B is equal to mu naught Ni divided by 2R. So that is the experimental method. So mu naught is the permittivity of the free space, its value is 4.4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. N number of turns is connected, that is 2. I amount of current drawn, that is 0.2 current is drawn here. So then, so 2R, that is the radius of the circular coil. So after simplify, what the value obtained, that is in the test law. So this is the experimental method, and the theoretical method is also we have to find out using the tangent law, that is B is equal to BH tan theta. So the theta value, that is mean, from the tabular column see there, mean theta is taken for each trial, theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4 divided by 4, that gives the mean theta, and the tan value is taken for that mean theta, that is recorded. Okay, then so we have to find the left side tan theta and right side tan theta, and the mean tan theta is taken and it is placed. Any one right side or left side mean tan theta is value substituted. B is equal to BH tan theta. So BH is a horizontal component of first magnetic field. That one also calculated. So using the formula, for that one we have to plot the graph. The nature of graph is so seen, that is already explained in the previous classes. So we have to take on that so nature of graph is obtained as shown in the diagram, and from that one we have to draw the horizontal line for the tan vertical line, that is 1, and x distances x1 x2 are calculated. So then you have a formula. So from that formula we have to find out the BH. So then you have to return the result, what the values obtained, that is magnetic field at the center of the circular coil using the experimental formula and using the theoretical formula, and horizontal component of first magnetic field. So what the value you have calculated, the magnetic field along the axis of the circular coil, experimental and theoretical, both should be equal. Okay, thank you.